Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Toast Payroll Review My Usage Experience. Toast Payroll Review My Usage Experience offers a way to review and analyze payroll data processed through the Toast POS system. It's primarily aimed at restaurant owners and managers who use Toast for their point of sale and employee management. Key features likely include detailed payroll reports, the ability to identify payroll discrepancies, and potentially tools for budgeting and forecasting payroll expenses. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Toast Payroll Review, judging by its name and likely functionality, positions itself as a tool to streamline payroll oversight for Toast users. It likely offers benefits such as improved accuracy in payroll processing, better cost control, and a clearer picture of labor costs. The website should detail pricing, but hopefully, there are no hidden fees. Its main strength seems to be its integration with the Toast ecosystem. Availability is limited to those using the Toast POS system. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Toast Payroll Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was fairly straightforward. After logging in with my existing Toast credentials, the interface was initially a bit overwhelming, but after exploring the dashboard for about 15 minutes, I found my way around. I used the report generation feature to check my employees' hours for the past month, and it was relatively simple to filter by employee, date range, and job role. The reports generated were clear, concise, and easily downloadable as PDFs. The system speed was good, reports were generated quickly. I had one minor issue where a specific employee's hours were misreported, but I found it was user error, the employee hadn't correctly clocked in or out. I had a quick question about exporting data in a specific format, and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful. I was really impressed by how customizable the reports were. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to compare payroll costs month over month. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Accessing the reports on the go would be beneficial. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Toast Payroll Review. It generally met my needs and provided valuable insights into my payroll data. That's my overview of Toast Payroll Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.